When you're under stress, your intuition can feel urgent, certain, even obvious. But that doesn't mean it's accurate. In fact, stress can fundamentally distort how your brain interprets reality. This video explains, through neuroscience, why intuition becomes unreliable under stress, how the brain's threat systems override clarity, and why calm regulation restores perspective. Intuition isn't a mystical sense. It's your brain making rapid predictions based on the past experience. When you're calm, those predictions draw from a wide range of information, but under stress, your brain changes priorities. The nervous system shifts into survival mode. The amygdala becomes more active, and the brain starts asking one primary question: is there a threat right now? When that happens, your intuition narrows. It becomes faster, but less accurate. Under stress, the brain doesn't just feel different, it filters reality differently. Neutral cues can feel dangerous. Ambiguity feels urgent. Uncertainty feels intolerable. Your intuition may say, "This is wrong. Something bad is about to happen. I need to act now." But what you're sensing isn't truth, it's activation. The brain is prioritizing speed over accuracy. That trade-off is useful in real danger, but in modern life, it often leads to misinterpretation. Have you ever looked back at a stressful moment and thought, why did that feel so intense? That's not hindsight bias. That's a nervous system recovery. Once stress hormones drop, the prefrontal cortex comes back online. Your brain regains access to context, nuance, and multiple interpretations. What felt threatening before now looks neutral, or even irrelevant. This is why clarity often returns after calm, not during urgency. A key insight from neuroscience is this: you don't reason your way out of stress, you regulate your way into clarity. Trying to figure things out while dysregulated often deepens confusion. But when the nervous system settles, even slightly, intuition becomes broader again, more accurate, less reactive. This doesn't mean ignoring your instincts. It means understanding when they can be trusted. If your intuition feels loud, urgent, or absolute, pause. Ask not, "Is this true?" but, "Am I regulated right now?" Clarity doesn't come from intensity, it comes from safety. And when safety returns, perception usually follows. If you want, leave a comment with a moment where stress made something feel urgent, and later, in calm, you saw it differently.